Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Honors Kindergarten and Secondary School. How are you students? I hope you will be fine. I am your English teacher and this is our video lesson number 2. In this video you will learn Unit 4, Unit 5 and Unit 6. In these units we will discuss about friends and family, traveling and camera. You will read the story of each unit, understand the meanings of difficult words and also discuss exercise. Let's start unit number 4. Grandma. Unit number 4 is Grandma. Let's start its reading. Grandma is sitting in her rocking chair. She is rocking slowly, forwards and backwards, forwards and backwards. Do you know what is the meaning of forwards and backwards? Forwards mean in the direction in front of you and backwards mean in the direction in behind you. Forwards mean in the direction in front of you and backwards mean in the direction behind you. The rocking chair is making a noise. Creak, squeak, creak, squeak. Grandma shuts her eyes. John, Sarah, Tom and Jill come into the room. They can hear the rocking chair. Creak, squeak, creak, squeak. The children look at Grandma. Grandma's eyes are shut. The children giggle. Grandma opens one eye. She smiles. Are you tired, Grandma? John asks. The rocking chair does not stop rocking. Please tell us, Grandma, says Jill. What can we do? What can you do? Asks Grandma. What can you do? Grandma smiles. You can do anything. She says, you can write, you can read, you can play, you can sing, you can dance. Can you dance, Grandma? Asks Tom. No, says Grandma. My bones are old. Creak, squeak, creak, squeak. Can you fly, Grandma? Asked Jill. Can you jump over the moon, Grandma? Asked John. Can you ride a cycle, Grandma? Asked Sarah. The rocking chair stops rocking. Can you see a bird in that tree? Asked Grandma. Yes, say the children. Good, says Grandma. Now fly away and play with it. The children run away. Grandma smiles. The rocking chair starts rocking. Creak, squeak, creak, squeak. Okay, students, now let's start exercise. Answer the following questions. As we read unit number 4, so we can tell the answer of all these questions. First question is, where is Grandma? And what is she doing? Grandma is sitting in her rocking chair and she is rocking. Next question is, what noise is the rocking chair making? Creak, squeak, creak, squeak. Next question is, what noises do other things make? Door bangs, clock ticks, bell rings, drum beats and line roars. Next question is, what does Grandma tell them? Grandma tells them that they can read, write, play, sing or dance. Next question is, why do the children run away? She tells them to go outside. Now let's start next question of the exercise. Talk about the picture given below. Who is doing what? Students, you will see the pictures and then you will tell that who is doing what. Here are some words to use. You can use these words: playing, fishing, calling, buying, driving, catching, reading, running. You can see that in this picture Arif is catching a fish. So we will use the word fishing. Arif is fishing. In this picture, the girls are playing. We will use the word playing. The girls are playing. In the next picture, Parveen is reading a book. We will use the word reading. Parveen is reading a book. In this picture, mother is calling. We will use the word calling. Mother is calling. In this picture, we will use the word buying. We can say that Seema is buying. In the last picture, Mr. Khan is driving. We will use the word driving and we can say Mr. Khan is driving a car. Now let's start next question of this exercise. Look at the pictures again. Give short answers. First question is Arif catching a fish? Let's see in the picture. You can see Arif is fishing. So you can say yes. Next question is, are the girls bringing a cup of tea? Let's see in the picture. No, the girls are not bringing a cup of tea. They are playing. So you will write here no. Next question is mother posting a letter? Let's see in the picture. Mother is calling. She is not posting a letter. So you will write here no. Last question is Mr. Khan driving a car? Let's see in the picture. Yes, Mr. Khan is driving a car. So you will write here yes. Our unit 4 is complete. Now we are going to start unit number 5 on the bus. It is very interesting story. It's all about cow and traveling. Let's start its reading. The bus is in the bus station. 10 people are in the bus. The driver is in his seat. The conductor is standing near the bus. Mrs. Ali is getting into the bus. She is carrying an umbrella. The bus is on the road. It is taking Mrs. Ali to Lahore. It is going very fast. Mrs. Ali is sleeping. The bus is going very fast. The bus is coming to a bridge. Mrs. Ali is sleeping. Mrs. Ali is dreaming of the Shalimar Gardens. Mrs. Ali is dreaming of the Shalimar Gardens. Look out, there is a cow on the road. The bus is stopping. The driver gets out of the bus. The conductor gets out. Mrs. Ali gets out. All the people get out of the bus. The driver claps his hands. The conductor claps his hands. Mrs. Ali waves her umbrella. The people shout. The cow does not move. Move that cow, shouts the driver. Move that cow, shouts the conductor. Move that cow, shouts Mrs. Ali. Move that cow, shout the people. The cow does not move. Sahir is passing by. He sees the cow. He sees the people. He laughs. Sahir cuts some grass. He holds it near the cow's nose. Come, says Sahir. The cow gets up and follows him. Well done, shout the people. The people are happy. They get back into the bus. They go on their way to Lahore. Now let's start its exercise. Answer the following question. First question is, where are the people on the bus going? The people are going to Lahore. Next question is, what is Mrs. Ali dreaming about? Mrs. Ali is dreaming about the Shalimar Gardens. Next question is, why does the bus stop? The bus stops because a cow is blocking the road. Next question is, how do the people try to make the cow move? The people shout at the cow. Next question is, how does Mrs. Ali try to make the cow move? Mrs. Ali waves her umbrella. Mrs. Ali waves her umbrella. Next question is, what does the driver do? The driver claps his hands. The driver claps his hands. Last question is, who make the cow move? How? Sahir makes the cow move by offering it some grass. Sahir makes the cow move by offering it some grass. Okay students, now we are going to start unit number 6, the drone. It is very interesting story about a camera. Let's start its reading. Vasif's dad is very clever. He has a workshop. He makes lots of useful things. Look, Vasif said Dad one day. He showed Vasif a small machine. It had 4 legs. It had 4 small fans. They were all joined by pieces of wire. Wow, said Vasif. Can it fly, Dad? Oh yes, said Dad. It can fly. It can take photos. It can take a video too. It is called a drone. He showed Vasif a tiny camera on the drone. I hope it works, said Dad. You carry the drone, I will bring my cell phone. Why, Dad? Asked Vasif. We use the cell phone to control the drone, said Dad. Press a number and the drone will work. Dad showed Vasif a piece of paper. Dad and Vasif put the drone on the road. Dad pressed some numbers. The drone buzzed. It went up into the air. Look, look, said Dad. He showed Vasif the video on the phone. Vasif could see the street, the trees, and all the roads. Vasif clapped and shouted. Dad smiled. Stop, shouted Vasif. Go back to that tree. I saw something there. Dad pressed 6 and the drone come back. I can see Shiva on a branch, said Vasif. She can't come down. Dad landed the drone. He and Vasif got a tall ladder. Dad climbed up and brought Shiva down. Shiva was very happy. She meowed and meowed. That is a great machine, said Vasif. Okay students, our reading is complete. I hope you enjoy it. Now let's start exercise. Answer the following questions. First question is, how is Vasif's dad clever? Vasif's dad is clever because he makes lots of useful things in his workshop. Vasif's dad is clever because he makes lots of useful things in his workshop. Next question is, what did Dad make? He made a drone. He made a drone. Next question is, how did Dad make the drone come back? A drone can fly, it can take photos, and it can take a video. What did Vasif shout? Why? Vasif shouted stop because he saw Shiva, his cat. Where was Shiva? Shiva was stuck in a tree. Shiva was stuck in a tree. Vasif thought that the drone was a great machine. What did Wasif think of the drone? Wasif thought that the drone was a great machine. Okay students, now let's start next question of this exercise. Put these words in the correct order. There are jumbled words and you will put these words in the correct order. Clever, very, dad, Wasif's, is. And we can say that Wasif's dad is very clever. Wasif's dad is very clever. Next one is, will my phone I shall bring. And we can say that I will bring my cell phone. I will bring my cell phone. Next one is, a Shiba can branch see on I. I can see Shiba on a branch. I can see Shiba on a branch. Students, you will do practice of these jumbled words in your rough notebook. Okay students, solve the exercise of each unit on book and do practice of question answers on